Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're creating a pagination screen using the Ionic Design Kit. If your app displays long lists of data, like articles, products, or reports, pagination is a simple yet powerful way to keep things clean and easy to browse. Let's get started and see how it's done. On the left-hand side of your screen, we explore coding with official Ionic documentation snippets. In the center of your screen, we highlight our thoughtfully designed layout created using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, a phone emulator displays the real-time outcomes of our coding. Feel free to pause anytime if you want to take a closer look at something. So what's great about a pagination screen? It helps users move through large amounts of information without endless scrolling. Instead of loading everything at once, content is split into pages, faster to load, easier to read, and way more organized. You can include elements like numbered buttons, next and previous arrows, and even indicators that show how many items are being viewed. And here's where the Ionic Design Kit comes in. It gives you ready-made pagination components straight from the Ionic framework, so there's no need to code from scratch. Designers can drag and drop UI elements directly into their layouts, and developers can plug them in instantly. It's efficient, consistent, and keeps your project moving at top speed. Remember, all the code snippets and design details are available on our website if you'd like to follow along more closely. If you're looking to build cleaner, faster, and more structured apps, the Ionic Design Kit is the perfect companion. It brings design and development together, helping you deliver top-notch user experiences with less effort. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Ionic tutorials. Catch you in the next one.